Are you from Turkey? You're right. You study here.
Yeah.
Which specialty?
Economics.
Oh,
Yeah.
I want to study in some university. What advice can you give me with grant and maybe scholarship, not expensive university?
Yeah. I don't know. My university doesn't give any scholarships.
How much you paying?
20.
20,000. Okay. With hostel or separately?
I live in here.
With hostel? Your university? Your university with hostel or separately?
No, separate.
Separate. How much you paying for hostel?
For this, 200
Per month, huh? Okay. Thank you for information. Take care. Have a nice evening. اینم خیلی خوابگاه دام استودای خوابگاهی یک گرین زورای خوابگاه بیای خونی اینم خیلی خوابگاه در بستی زورای بیای نه زنده و سلامت باشین